Look, this is the coolest push-up ever. Look. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Fiesta. In this video, I want to show you my favorite push-up variation. I want to show you my favorite push-up variation. This is a push-up. And with push-ups, you have different variations, okay? This is a normal push-up, but I can do a diamond push-up also, or a wide push-up, right? These are different variations, different push-up variations. My favorite variation is called tiger bend push-up. It's called a tiger bend push-up. It's called a tiger bend push-up because you look like a tiger, like a crouching tiger, and this is a bend. I'm bending my finger. I'm bending my arm. I'm bending my arm. So it's a tiger. You look like a tiger and you're bending. I'll show you. This is a normal tiger bend push-up. Boom, tiger, back up. Boom, back up. That's normal. It's easy. I can make the push-up harder, more challenging, more difficult, right? If I add a clap, now it's more difficult. It's more challenging. But for me, I need a big challenge. I'll show you how I do it. Ready? Tiger bend push-up. Do you like it? Do you think it looks cool? I do. I like it, and I think it looks cool. Cool means wow, awesome. That looks cool. That's cool. Anyways, I want to keep this video short, so we'll end here. I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, and keep getting more English comprehensible input. English Fiesta, we have the best. We have the best comprehensible input. Like the video, of course, subscribe, share it with all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.